We do it for the vlog!
Good morning everybody, good morning vlog girl. We're starting off the vlog like this. I'm afraid the bicycle right now this morning, but it's so freaking cold here in Florida today. It'll go drop like New York weather soon, or Florida. So everybody kinda prepare for this fake winter we about to have. So I don't know if me alright today, cause it's kinda cold right now. Don't watch it here, probably gonna do me here today. But me have some good news. So, when you remember when me did tell you say my daughter did there in New York? Yes, I look pretty though. Remember me did tell you say my daughter there in New York? Well, she's coming back today. I'm so happy. You see me? Catch a shot of that view here, watch her. Me head in highway and it up on the tracking something. Voila, let me take it out. Catch a shot of this view. This is so lovely. Oh my God, let me put it on back. But this morning, today, I'm kinda happy today. You see me? I not lie to you. I did look depressed when my daughter never there here. Now she come back look more. So I'm kinda excited, you know. Can't wait to see what she learn new. Me have some little things, clothes and then something for her. Yo, me don't know someone no like be father dog. Big man thing. Oh, you so look good. You have to say that. Me don't know someone no like be father. Being a father one of the most exciting thing ever happening in my life. Like it made me mature so freaking much. Me not like. But look on the view. Look there. That's so lovely. It's so nice here and peaceful. Kinda cool right now, so wanna be here with me. I have to move around to keep warm. Me decide this morning say me never ever go do the same old vlogging at the room. Me say me will come outside. You see me, so me drive come over here so. Me not live nowhere near here so, you know. But me just drive come over here so cause this is one of me part them when me like, you see me? Nah lie. Morning. So yeah guys, she forward later on in the evening. So I go pick her up in the evening and probably chill with her in the night and them thing there. And tomorrow I have to go chill with her again, you see me? We'll probably go church. I'm not sure yet, but I probably can't go church. I just happy to see my daughter there, dog. I not lie. And I have some what do you ask? Me have some good news to tell you too. I will be keeping a movie and dinner show. You see me? Me myself I go shoot my own movie and we are gonna show it in another place here. Alright. You now see the venue right up on the screen. Me did get a little clippings when we go arrange the date and all of that. But me I go do an official commercial. But right there so at the place of the venue, where we are gonna keep the whole dinner and movie something. Only can order shrimp, salmon, chicken, anything. I will gonna be able to sit down comfortable and watch a movie from Trabass. You see me? Ticket price soon available and all of that. Me soon release the ticket date them. You see me? So now stay tuned for that. And me go keep a Valentine's stand-up comedy show. So now stay tuned for that. But for now, we're gonna keep dinner and a movie. So you can stay tuned for that. I'm really excited. I will leap something. If I build a flyer today, I'm gonna get somebody to do that. I'm supposed to link some people, selector-wise. I'm gonna have an after party after the whole dinner and movie. So now I go sit down, watch a movie, eat, and then after we can party. Oh, I see someone there. I'm not like, I'm kinda really excited. Really excited about this. I like I keep events, you know? When I keep events, just the build up to the event, make everything more exciting. I don't know. I love it. Dinner and a movie. You see me? I try shoot something long phone, so I try aim for a good 30 to 40 minute content for sure while you not eat, you know? You don't know, I go talk to you before the show. Just know, expect the unexpected at dinner and a movie, January the 25th. Happy man. Now go and stay tuned. So today, I'm about to go run some errands and them think everybody in a jacket and pull over them time here in Florida. Yo, it a go drop so low at Florida, it a go come like New York. So I prepare for the weather. Cause I don't know New York I'm forward from. So I'm ready, you see me? But both for run go up on the road, go grab some things, run some little errands, and wait till my daughter forward for go pick them up at the airport, you see me? I'm not gonna show none of that, but I just tell you no. Just stay tuned. Alright, so guys, right now I'm there at the car wash. You know, me wash Betsy. You see me? Me wash the car before me go pick them up. Then flight delay. So me have little time. You see me? Me da go do me here, you know. But me a like, shit. Probably them a go come and me here no done. Cause me head big. You see me? So why for that art this thing? But you know what I mean? Me not think you know for why me in a dog. Cause you know me I say sometime in a dog. But yeah, me there clean up the car, you see me? So you don't know me back to a vlog me every day life. So as we go along, you see me? Mother up on yourself. I show you the car. Well, let me show you the car. It look clean, look a bit, because I there want car wash. I just do the drive-through shit. I normally have one of my virgin them detail the car. But I just go through the drive-through this time. You see me? $10. Cheap. $10. You don't look bad for $10 though. Only thing though, I have to go vacuum it. Me not vacuum it yet. You see me? So you see there? It's a good shot. A mad thing, so I'm going to stay tuned. I clean up the car and forward back. So vlog world, we're back again. Off the road and all of that. I just talked to the club owner. So I know when I start another vlog, I made a steady date and I cut it out. I start another vlog, I probably not say the date, but the date is 26 at this month. January the 26th. Dinner and a movie. Trabass production. I will be shooting one of my films them and una go come watch one of my films them when you buy on a ticket and come out. You see me? So make sure you mark the date and don't be late. January the 26th, movie and dinner. Bad piece of pre, you see me? Just catch a pre me a plan for do. I want to forward today. Watch a movie while you watch a movie. You eat food. Me and Whitey man. You eat food. And then after you eat food and don't watch a movie, we just go all our vibes. So you don't know what to expect. But me go now a quick little drop now. Quick. January the 26th. You don't want to miss. Dinner and a movie. Trabass production. So me know me say me that go for my daughter. Them no reach yet. And my baby mother brother probably pick her up from the airport because him live the closest to her. So me the well want go, but them live the closest. So when they reach at the house, me I try go over the same way. Hopefully she not sleep. Cause me no like wake her up when she asleep. But hopefully she not sleep. I want go over there when she forward and just go surprise her. Me get some little clothes here and anything. Oh, me tell you already. Just go and stay tuned. Whatever happen in that vlog happen. Alright guys. So me just reach over here. My daughter probably asleep, but me still go in there go see. Me don't know if me have video, so you know. But me circle back could do. Me come back. If me I read me that cry. Yo, 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 yo. Good morning everybody. Good morning ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's your boy Andrew Trabass. And they just like you already know. Today we are about to run some errands. Right now I try run a sub shop before I go for my daughter. Go deal with something I have to do with the show. As you know, I go keep a show January the 26th. You see me? Dinner and a movie. Probably the vlog I talk about it a lot, but all of the vlog them I go drop from now leading up to the show. I gotta talk about my event. No, I never really promote nothing like this before. Every day in my vlog, so I'm gonna check it out. That vlog you go hear me talk about it in another vlog, you go hear me talk about it in my next vlog. Just know say I promote my event. You see me? January the 26th. I really want to pack out the venue there, I not lie. You see me? And me alone I do it. So I need the whole of the strength. You see me? As me say, we are going to go over sub shop and go print up some things. I'll probably build a shirt or a sweater for the event, you know, dinner and a movie. You just look out what for go on. And after this, I go left and go for my daughter, go watch my daughter for the day. You see me? Every day from my daughter forward back me day over there. And me have things to do, but me I go take probably Friday, Saturday, Sunday off for just work on the show and thing. Yeah, and then I watch her back after. But today cold Florida, I don't know what the fuck I go on Florida. Today is OD call. We be a police over there, so what go on? Oh, want blood cloud can't catch a fire in a gas station. I stop a light. Oh shit, this can't zoom no more. See fire truck? This stop a light. So vlog world, we just done left sub shop and we are print 240 flyer right now. You see me? Fort Lauderdale, you go see them everywhere. Me go put them on everybody car. Me make sure me try go out every night, starting tonight to the cold door. Me go see. But more I'm promoting on the streets, you see me? Cause lately when I see on the vlog, me start go out back and them thing, then I meet fans. It good when me interact with them and make them know personally. Say, yo, come out to my show. You know them way there? For show me love and thing. So, me I go out starting today, every day for this week. Oh, God be help me. And me have a special surprise and me tell you say we're going to the movie too. Me just finish write out the script and thing. So me I try line up the ticket now and the Airbnb and all of that. Guys, remember me I do this independent, you know. So bear with me. Bumbuckle it. Me have to go book Airbnb, plane tickets and thing. Look out for what's about to come. That's all me have to say. Me have butterflies and all them little thing there already. Me nervous. Me not lie, me nervous. But this soon dead, so I have to go see if I have no charger over there that was for charge it. So I can vlog something a little more. Because I have to go pick up at the flyer. I have to vlog that. Alright, I'm going to put on my seatbelt. So guys, as you can see, my hair done comb and them thing there. And a night now, me bag run up and down though. We get the flyer them and everything. So tonight a promotional night now. You don't know, every weekend you have certain events to keep. We go probably go to that event here for go do some promo. You know, left the flyer them pan people car. Go in a party, make the selector them big it up, you know. The same old promotional nightly run where you normally make when you keep an event. Me go do that right now. Me tired of freak, me want sleep, but me go do it. Me probably not stay out the whole night. Me go link Savage now and see what Savage I deal with. And then circle back with you know. But good news, we book Slick White Line ticket. He's gonna be in the movie. Now while me I tell you this, we'll probably just watch a vlog them, but him there already and more vlog forward with him in it. But this is the vlog for make you know a couple update. So you can stay tuned, follow me on Instagram and thing. We book Slick ticket, couple more actors are gonna be in that film here. But Slick is on the way. Tomorrow I forgot pick him up and thing so that gonna be in our next vlog by itself. So stay tuned as we do it for your vlog. We're gonna go outside. We outside tonight, you see me? So vlog girl, what I got? See Savage in the background. Think of this one, the tiger. I'm mad thing. Right now. Right now we're there. I try to look parking car for all that party. And the man tell us say we have to pay for park. Which part we normally there for free? They might tell us say we have to pay for park. So right now, we are trying to come park somewhere so we know. We can have a park here so. Cause now we see one sign we say no parking. So we are go somewhere to go park. Jesus.
I'm that nigga from Trabass TV.
I'm on move.
Representing Trabass TV. Me like you roach them. Roach.
Man up yourself in the Yo. Respect bro, man. Dog. I want to tell you all like people and big up on yourself. A party, me there buck up on some people who fuck with me video them. Me not like. Me lit you know. Jesus Christ. Hey. Me no know me going to go home you know. And me and Savage there. Pussy clot. Yeah. So guys, we are here with Nightly Fix. Naro with him blue shoes. Naro with him blue shoes.
No mix night with dealers, our wife full of features. So they say they color brown like a bleachers.
Yeah, fuck they see them money on that. Oh, God, that's it. Me can't tell me no. Me know them there, you know. Yo, vlogger, me know them there. Me just get to them. No, me married. Hey, the boy Nara broke out your phone. Watch him. 1, 2. So it's after the party, guys. And you know we're there here. Oh God.
Everybody have vlog here, right?
Everybody have vlog. Oh God.
Except me.
Look how you look good for my camera.
Right?
Naro, show your forehead. Naro in blue shoes. I don't mean that saying a party, guys. Naro with him blue. You remember that Spice legendary viral video?
The apology. Remember the apology?
Yes, the apology.
The apology. That's
Yes.
what the people remember. Yeah?
Guys, I have to say this. This is a legendary moment. You know? You don't know the Fix get them legendary Vibes Cartel interview, so they hot right now. But you don't know a long time I rock with them.
Yeah.
Me did it with them from the beginning.
Yeah.
And them know the pre. Now they have walking videographer. I mean know him too, you know. He work with the people we are saying, you know. But a mad thing, Naro, big up yourself, you don't know a pre, you know.
Love how it.
Me have said Naro, alright. A long time we don't know this, and me I said this a long time. We don't know, no. Then they know, then they for real. Nobody now tell me no. They ma fuck on the low.
She have a man but still want fuck me have a me ex a tell everybody me a the me nah go lie, me think I chew me a the just living life and fucking bitches a me no wanna